wanted you to make me some coffee so I can get ready. I'm gonna take a drink. So look, we up early, it's sunny as hell. I know most of y'all is probably sleeping, just rolling over, scratching something right now. This is what I do. Today I'm gonna take y'all outside, on a journey with me. I used to be 285 pounds. This was the old Nat. I was fat. I didn't like myself. So then I started training myself. So I'm gonna show you what I do to stay in shape and to keep my body fit. So we back in. Right now, this is my power pack. This is what I bring every day out. And I know you probably think, wow, this is a lot for one person to bring out, but I like to cover every body part. You know, I want to feel my workout, so this is what I do. Like I said before, I was a big dude for a long time, and all of y'all out there know that. But today, I'm gonna show you how to stay in shape, stay fit. I ain't gonna do nothing crazy, but I'm gonna show you how we get down and how we keep our breath right and keep our mind right out here. So it's just some of my stuff we're gonna go set up. I'll be back in a minute. So here we are. This right here, people, something I picked up from checking out other things, you know, watching other people, how they get right. These are called battle ropes. Believe it or not, I'm good for a few minutes on here. This is something that the SEALs train with for hours. Some of these routines got 42 parts. But today we just gonna do a little bit and show you how this rope works. So what I'm doing is I'm setting up a circuit right now, training intervals. This right here is the heavy rope. You got the light rope and the heavy rope. This changes, this is all cardio right here. Get your chest right. Gotta have music out here. Cordless joint. That's how we work.
You could drop me anywhere and I'll make it, yeah. I'm a fighter. Been to hell and back and I'm still here, yeah. I'm a fighter. Come from an army of soldiers. I'm a fighter. I can make it happen anywhere.
I remember the days, y'all, growing up as a child. My mom was a strong black woman with a beautiful smile. She taught me self-respect and not how to be wild. Even when I went to school, they wasn't digging my style. It was a fight when I came out the womb. So I'ma speak about my struggles now, y'all, over this tune. I wish I could take my thoughts, put them in a balloon, and watch them all float away, but it's just not that way. So thanks to my black queen for teaching this black king. And when I'm on the mic and doing this rap thing, it's all owed to you. You was part of the fight, telling me to turn the noise down late at night. I love your mom, Duke, I really mean that. Cause now the noise I made changing the greenbacks. And mama, yeah, this was way overdue. Thank you for teaching me to stand on my own suit.
You could drop me anywhere and I'll make it, yeah. I'm a fighter. Been to hell and back and I'm still here, yeah. I'm a fighter. Come from an army of soldiers. I'm a fighter. I can make it happen anywhere.
So I moved to New York in pursuit of the cream. $500 in my pocket and a hell of a dream. With hopes to get rich, but had to make a choice quick. Pick up the mic or choose to flip bricks. Poured out a couple beers and I lost some friends. Instead of hustling death, now I hustle my pen. Thank you God Almighty for the gift of speech. Because a brother like me, I gotta rhyme to eat.
You could drop me anywhere and I'll make it, yeah. I'm a fighter. Been to hell and back and I'm still here, yeah. I'm a fighter. Come from an army of soldiers. I'm a fighter. I can make it happen
writing, still in the studio writing. The dream is still alive, there's no way that it's dying. So this is for everyone that wants a piece of the pie. Reach for the sky and keep your head held high. For the man on the table that's fighting for his life. Go on fight, go on fight. For the mother that works the 2 jobs at night.
That's gonna get you right.
Go on fight.
Cardio,
for the brother on the stand that's
muscle
being
tone
sentenced
right
to life. Go on fight, go on fight. For the soldiers in Iraq that hear the bombs at night. Go on fight, go on fight. For the brothers on the street that's trying to make wrong right. Go on fight, go on fight. And if you really love yourself and you love your life, then go on fight, go on fight, go on fight, go on fight.
You can drop me anywhere and I'll make it, yeah. I'm a fighter, been to hell and back and I'm still here, yeah. I'm a fighter, come from an army of soldiers. I'm a fighter, I can make it happen anywhere.
It's real.
Our problem is to develop
It's real.
an
You gotta do
undying
something for
love
yourself.
our people.
Get off the couch.
An undying love
off
for
the
our
couch.
people. We must be willing to